salted walnut hacks and pieces. Whole grain granola. This is a strawberry cashew crunch. This sounds delicious. And I will learn how to make all this stuff. Some motivation and inspiration. Dried cranberries. Everything. Bagel seasoning. Cinnamon. Everything. Butter. This I'm very intrigued to try. All these nuts. I can make my own butter since I have the Nama over there, which is so awesome. My other jelly, the super fruit jelly. And fruit spread, if that's what y'all want to call it. And apricot. And they are all good. And I'm not eat a lot of different jellies, but those, every one of them are good. Some garlic powder. Yeah, they make sure to take good care of packaging. Other than accidents, you know. Olive oil. Oat nog. This, I'm so ready to try this. Listen, I'll put it in the refrigerator. And I'll do a oat nog baked French toast. Oh my gosh. And I'll let y'all know how it is. And I believe, they're all in there. I'll take a picture when this is done. Yep, so there's that. And then for signing up, you can get to choose from some free gifts. So it was the other stuff and then this book. She's got lots of really nice recipes. Thanks, right? And that there is my Thrive haul.